So here's part 2 to my video. I didn't forget this time. So maybe I didn't have it wet enough, but we're actually, well, it might be trying to come out. All right, so what we have to do now, I'm going to go ahead and give these a good washing. All right, so let's check back and see how these biatches did. Oh my God. Look what that shit did. Okay, so anyway, hopefully this comes out because it caused this. Well, okay, I caused it. But anyhow, let's see. It's kind of both our faults. So we're gonna see if this shit works. All right, guys, Quick and Brite, probably Quick and Brite my ass. All right, so suck it.